Ready, start. The brief facts of the case are that the assessee company is engaged in manufacture of cement falling under Chapter 25 of the Central Excise Tariff Act, 1985 and was registered for the same with the Central Excise Department. Full stop. On the basis of information received by the Anti-Evasion Unit of the Central Excise Department, Allahabad, with regard to the effect that the assessee company Messrs. Alaknanda Cement Private Limited within bracket ACPL is engaged in clandestine removal of cement, the said anti-evasion unit kept surveillance over the unit of the assessee and thereafter intercepted a consignment of cement cleared by the appellant company, ACPL in a truck at a distance of about 500 meters from the unit of the appellant company. Full stop. On the interrogation, the truck driver has informed the anti-evasion officers that the truck was loaded with 360 bags of cement and the said cement bags had been loaded at the factory premises of appellant, ACPL. Full stop. When the officers of anti-evasion unit has asked the driver about the documents related to the consignment, the driver has produced the single inverted comma duplicate for transporter copy single inverted comma close of invoice number 242 dated 15/8/2002, which has been issued by the appellant, ACPL, and a weighment slip of the same date dated 15/8/2002. Full stop. In the said documents, the goods, namely, the cement, that is 360 bags of 50 kg each, total weight of which was 18 metric ton, within bracket empty, bracket close, were consigned to one Messrs. Kshatriya Traders, Achalpur, Pratapgarh. Full stop. On verification regarding the genuineness of the documents, it transpired that the same were not genuine, and immediately the officers of the anti-evasion unit has collected the information, in follow-up proceedings, and at the factory premises the person, namely, a cashier and authorized signatory of the appellant company was present, and on demand the said authorized representative produced a invoice book which was issued up to serial number 241 dated 14/8/2002. Full stop. When the departmental personnel confronted with the single inverted comma duplicate for transporter copy single inverted comma close of invoice number 242 dated 15/8/2002, which was resumed from the possession of the truck driver, the authorized signatory has admitted that the said invoice number 242 dated 15/8/2002 has been issued under his signature for clearance of 360 bags of cement. Full stop. The authorized signatory has produced a single inverted comma parallel invoice book single inverted comma close at the factory from which the invoice number 242 dated 15/8/2002 was issued. Full stop. On verification, it is noticed that this parallel invoice book does not have pre-printed serial number. Full stop. During the course of verification, it is noticed and found that from invoice number 242 dated 15/8/2002, total 18 more such invoices have been issued from the said parallel set of bill book. Full stop. A so-called notice has been issued, and after the reply, assessing authority of the appellant company, has passed a detailed order in original dated 31/8/2004. Full stop. In follow-up action, which has been carried out further, that is on 16/8/2002, at the residential premises of the director of the appellant company, as well as at the office, certain documents are resumed, full stop.